IKEA Bootcamp we did back in 2017 was an accelerator model, whereas the model that we had this time was focused much more on the collaborations.
We spread the word everywhere that we are looking for startups that want to co-create together with us for the many people.
And here we got a total of 1,112 applications. We invited 36 startups to fly in, where we then selected the final startups to be part of the bootcamp.
During the program, we had 2 different go, no go check gates. Together with the startup decided, do we want to continue or do we not? Because we don't want to waste the time, energy or money for neither the startup nor IKEA if we do not see that it will be a pilot in them. And today at the demo day, we have 13 amazing startups that together with the IKEA sponsors presented what they've been working on.
We started off pitching a concept and we ended up in quite a different place. And that place has a huge amount of opportunity behind it.
I was really impressed by the values of IKEA. I really learned to work with a big organization.
We learned a lot about the organization, first of all, about IKEA and what we can accomplish together.
This is just the beginning. The journey still continues, and that's what I'm most excited about.
Witnessing both IKEA and the startups blossom and learn from each other has been absolutely beautiful.
IKEA is very big and sometimes we are quite cumbersome. But these guys, they live in another reality. Things change every day and they move fast.
They work very differently than we do, but you can learn that maybe this is the way we should be working in some of our areas of business.
During these 11 weeks, we have accomplished a lot of things. We have done this stuff in practice.
We learn how it is to work in a short timeline with a very tight budget and get things done.
This has been really refreshing. It's more about finding great products and making them come to life.
This is the stack of things that came up from different business units, people who wants to work with the startup. And this is just after a presentation of 7 minutes. So here we can see the result.
I'm really excited to try out our concept in a real IKEA store. So we're going to do the first test pilot here in a few weeks, and it's going to be exciting.
So just go with an open mind, go with a problem that you're solving. You might end up in a different place, but a great one.